To fix a Lenovo Thinkpad docking station that is not working, first understand why it happens. The issues can arise from loose connections, outdated drivers, or hardware problems. Start by checking the physical connections. Ensure the docking station is properly connected to the laptop and the power source. Verify that all cables are securely plugged in and not damaged. Next, check for loose screws or damaged ports on the docking station, as this can prevent a stable connection. If the issue persists, try updating the drivers for the docking station. Outdated drivers can cause compatibility problems and prevent the docking station from working. Go to the Lenovo website, search for the specific model of your docking station, and download the latest drivers. Follow the installation instructions to update the drivers. Another solution is to reset the docking station. Unplug the power cord, wait for a few seconds, and then plug it back in. This can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. If none of the above solutions work, try using a different docking station or a different laptop to isolate the problem. This can help determine if the issue is with the docking station or the laptop. Additionally, check the BIOS settings to ensure that the docking station is enabled. Save the changes and restart the laptop to apply the updates. Finally, if all else fails, consider contacting Lenovo support for further assistance or to request a replacement if the docking station is still under warranty. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Lenovo Thinkpad docking station. Remember to always handle the equipment with care and follow the manufacturer's instructions for troubleshooting and maintenance. Regularly updating drivers and performing routine checks on the physical connections can help prevent future problems and ensure the docking station works smoothly.